Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage kofta curry. Start by shredding one small cabbage and squeezing out excess moisture. Warm and friendly, I guide you through mixing cabbage with mashed potato, chickpea flour, and spices to bind the koftas, then shaping and shallow frying until golden. I explain timing and texture cues so your koftas stay tender inside and crisp outside, ready for the curry. Warm and conversational, I walk you through building a rich curry base after frying koftas. Start by sautéing onion until soft, then add ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes with cumin and coriander. Simmer until the oil separates and the flavors concentrate, then pour in coconut milk and a little water to achieve your desired consistency. I share simple tips for balancing acidity and creaminess so the sauce complements the koftas beautifully. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a handy kitchen companion that brings music and hands-free timers while you cook. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes like this. The Echo Dot fits on a counter and speaks clearly over stovetop noise, making recipes easier to follow. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I explain how to finish the dish, so every bite is balanced and comforting. Carefully add koftas to the curry and simmer briefly so they soak up flavor without falling apart. Taste and adjust salt or acidity with lemon, then garnish with cilantro and a light cream drizzle if you like. I suggest serving options and quick make-ahead tips so this cabbage kofta curry works for weeknights or special dinners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.